In this tutorial, let me teach you on how to update Roblox on your phone. It's either on iPhone or Android. For now, I'll be showing you using an iPhone. Let's open the App Store, then click on the search button and type in Roblox. Now click the Roblox app on the search results, and from there, you'll be able to see the update button. If there's an update for it or the latest version release, simply click the update button and wait for it to finish updating. Now let's move to an Android device. In your Android, open the Play Store app and then click the search button. Next, type Roblox and then open the app from the search results. Now, if there is a need for an update for Roblox, you'll see a button for it. Simply tap the update button, and there it will download the latest version of it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.